is Adivina Ganya Aziza. I'm from Mandy class. Today I'm going to tell you how to make one of my favorite drink, the iced latte. So without any further, let's get to the kitchen. The ingredients is pretty simple. We need ice, 1 sachet of coffee, milk, hot water and cold water, and the tool is spoon, also glass. So let's make it. First, you can add the ice to the glass as much as you want. I really like cold, so I'm gonna add it really lot of ice. So I think that's enough. The second is you can add the coffee. So when you added the coffee, you can add the milk as much as you want. Okay, I think that's enough. After that, we pour the hot water. Then mix it. It's so easy, so you can try it at home by yourself. And then, so I'm sorry, this video is over. See you next time. Bye.